Hello my loves, welcome back to another video. So for today's video is gonna be a living room update. I haven't done one in I think a little bit over a year. So some things have stayed the same, some things have changed, but if you guys want to see how my living room is looking right now, then just keep on watching. So I'm gonna start again with the entryway. I'm sorry for the lighting right now. For some reason it's been gloomy. So nothing has changed much. I still have this coat rack. I basically mainly use it for my purses, the ones that I use on the go like every day. I just added this, which is from Target I believe, and it's just to hold my keys. And I still haven't found a bench that I like. I mean, this year, as you guys know, with quarantine and everything, I haven't had a chance to go shopping, so I haven't been able to go buy a bench. I'm probably just gonna make my own. And then on this side usually is Bella's bowls for her to eat, but right now I'm washing them. I have this board that I write everyday task. I'm just covering it because it's kind of embarrassing to show you my tasks for every day, but this keeps me busy. So let me just show you guys the view that you see when you walk in. I'm not gonna go in detail with that area over here because I turned that into like my little office area, and I actually have a separate video where I did a makeover of like that little area. So if you guys want to check it out, I'll link it down below and somewhere up here. But yeah, this is the overview of my whole living room. So before I had some throw pillows here, and I did take your guys' suggestions that it's better to just open the entryway. They were kind of on the way when you walk in. So once you walk in, I have this little base and I have some pumps. I don't know if that's how you say it, but I need more because it's pretty sad. I only have 4 of them. I need to buy more. So this setup hasn't changed much. I still have my long mirror, which is probably from IKEA. I think that's where I got it. And then I still have these candles. I'm actually thinking of buying more and making like a little fireplace with candles right here for fall and winter. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do that, but I kind of want to do that. And then just up in the mirror, I have this little deer horns. I think that's what they are, and those are from Target. And then I also have this string of lights hanging this way. I know a lot of you guys were telling me that it looks so weird and I should put them around my mirror, but I actually don't like that. And I think it looked weird because in my previous video, this area right here was super empty, so it kind of looked weird, just this line of string of lights and nothing over here. And now I feel like it looks so much better because I have more things on the wall. Right here I have my TV, and then I have my, it's not a TV stand, it's from IKEA, but I made it into a TV stand. And then this hasn't changed much. I still have my money tree right here, and then I just have a couple items there. The top area has changed. So before I didn't have nothing on the wall, and I put this frames, and I know they don't have nothing in them. Actually, they've been empty like this for, I don't know, I want to say maybe like all this year because I don't know what to put on them. I seriously don't know. If you guys have an idea, let me know, because I don't know what will go like with my boho decor here. Like, I just don't know. But I like how I put them, like one is longer and the other one is going this way. I need to put something in there. Moving on, this is also new. I just put this plant here. And then over here, I think this is almost the same from my last video, except I think I had a plant in this corner, but I don't have a plant anymore. So I just have this basket with the throw pillow, my yoga mat, and then I have a throw blanket. Let me show you guys from this side how this looks. I really like it. I don't want it to be too busy. Maybe for you guys it is too busy, but I just feel like this looks good. Once my plant starts growing down, it's gonna cover all this empty area that right now I kind of don't like, but usually pothos grow really fast, so I'm hoping it's gonna get really long quick. Okay, so moving on, I'm gonna move to the main area in the living room, which is my couch. And this couch is actually gray. I don't like the color anymore. I actually got tired of it right away as soon as I got it. So I put a lot of throw blankets. As you guys could see, there's, I don't know, maybe there's like 1, 2, 3, 4 throw blankets, because I haven't found one that is long enough to cover everything. And then I have so many throw pillows. This always changes, like every video that you guys probably are gonna see of my living room, my couch is always gonna look different because I get bored and I'm always like putting different throw blankets or different pillows. But my couch is from Living Spaces, and most of my pillows are from either World Market or Marshalls. I'm not gonna go in detail like every pillow where it is from, because if you guys go back to my previous video, I did mention like where everything is from. So right now I just want to show you guys like the little different things that have changed from my living room. And I'll also link down below that video so you guys can watch it. So this is my coffee table, and I've been getting a lot of questions of my coffee table. You guys seem to really like it, and where I got it is real wood, like real hardwood, and the detail that it has, it's really nice. So actually, look at Bella. Actually this table was made for me, so I'm sorry guys, I can't, you know, link it down below because it was made for me, so I don't know where you guys could find one like this. So right now I have this huge candle and it smells amazing. I got that for my birthday. And then I was gonna get an actual book, but I haven't been able to find one that I like. So right now I just have a magazine. I have these posters for drinks, they're really cute. And then this plant, so this plant I know it doesn't look that big. So these are cuttings from another plant that I had before, so eventually it's gonna get bigger. See, it's already giving me a couple new leaves right here. So that's how I have my coffee table. I don't have much in it because, you know, I use my coffee table to eat, so that's why in the bottom I have my throw pillows that I had before in the entryway, and I just put them in the bottom because when I want to eat I just take them out to the side and then just eat in the table, because I actually don't have a table to eat because it's just me living here and I don't see a point for that. I mean, it's gonna take a lot of space, so I just don't have one. And then on top of my couch I have this IKEA shelf, and kind of don't like it now that it's white because I feel like it blends too much to the wall. But you know, I wish it was wood. Eventually maybe I'll get a wood one, but I still haven't got one right now. I think the decoration is almost the same. I still have the same frames, same pictures. I got them from Etsy. This hasn't changed either. This one, it was from Michael's, the base and the little dry plant. I don't know what it's called. Let me just get closer. And then I just have this water spray for my plants. I just put this little basket just to give it a little bit of color because, like I said, it just kind of blends a lot with the background. Maybe if I change this, I know in last video said I was gonna change them, and I just haven't done it because I am so bad at picking like pictures or posters for frames that I just don't know what to get, and they're so expensive, so I can't buy one like for $30 and then I don't like it. So I'm just like so picky about that. I just put these candles here, and then this one is from Marshalls, and these are probably from Michael's. So let's go to this corner. This corner has changed from my previous video. It didn't look like this before, and this corner is always changing. Like I said, I get tired of things and I'm always changing everything up. So now I have these two plants right here. They're so beautiful. And then I put like this little rug there because I felt like it looked really empty without anything on the bottom. And then the top, I used to have more plants, so I don't have as many right now because I did put them in the other corner where I have my office. Eventually I am gonna get more because some of my plants did die, so I do need to get a couple more plants to fill this up. But for now I decorated like this. I don't think it looks that bad. I just, like I said, I have a couple plants. The books are thrifted. The frame is also thrifted. I just put the deer picture. I don't know why I put a deer, but I think it looks nice. And then on the top I have this frame, which I have also got questions about. So the frame is thrifted, and then the poster is from Etsy. So just put cactus, black and white, and I'm pretty sure you guys are gonna see a lot of similar posters like this. And I just want to show you guys this plant because this is like my baby. I love her. She's so long, and so big and beautiful. So I have my rocking chair in this corner now. I feel like it looks better in this corner because before I had it somewhere over here. Look at Bella, she just wants to be the star of the video. See, she's trying to jump on top of the chair. Mama, do you need help? It is thrifted. I know I also get a lot of questions about it every time I take a picture of it. I'm sorry guys, but it was thrifted, and I'm pretty sure if you guys go like in those apps like Lego or Craigslist, you guys will find one because I haven't seen a lot of them. I just have some throw pillows also from World Market, and then I have this rug which is from probably Ross, and then on the top I put these baskets. I know someone told me what they're called, but I forgot. So these were from Home Goods, and they came in a set of like 6 of them, I think, or 5. Also, this has changed. I put this mirror here because I feel like it just looks so much better. It also brings more light to this area because there's not a lot of light here. And this mirror is from Target, I believe. And then I just have a frame in the back with the same poster that I have up here because I just printed a couple of them because I couldn't figure out the size. I don't really like that, and I know I'm pretty sure I'm going to change that eventually, but for now I just kept it there. And then I have this table which is from Ross. I just put some magazines. I have this little box that has nothing in it, and then this little base that is thrifted. I just put something, you know, some decoration there. And then I just have my elephant plant here, which it needs a basket. I need to buy one for her. And then I have this plant which is a string of bananas. It's super long, but I just wanted to have like a plant hanging here. She needs a new pot though because it comes with a nursery pot and I don't like it. It just doesn't go with the vibe here. I also forgot to tell you guys on my rug. So this rug is from Wayfair. And if you guys remember, it used to be so pretty. It was like a cream color, and now it's so dirty. I don't know where to take it to get it clean because I was thinking of buying another rug, but I really like this one and I just feel like it's still in good condition. It's just so dirty. I don't know how it got like this because I don't use shoes in here. I mean, I do have people that come in and sometimes I feel bad telling them to take off their shoes, so maybe that's what happened. So that's it for my living room updates. I hope you guys like this tour. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye my loves.